Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image, go to Adjustment, Curves. Select RGB. Now hold this point and follow the steps like this. Go to red. Again hold this point and follow the steps like this. It's like hockey stick. Levels. Follow the step like this. Go to Adjustment, Color Balance, Shadows, make cyan red plus 20%. Go to Highlights. Here make cyan red minus 20%. Go to Adjustment, Selective Colors. Here select Color Neutrals. Make cyan minus 10%. Black plus 10%. Keep rest as same 0. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video soon. I am Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.